Hiccups are weird, sudden diaphragm spasms followed by that iconic hic sound. They might be leftovers from our tadpole ancestors, whose gills spasm to regulate water flow. In humans, hiccups often come from eating too fast, swallowing air, or sudden temperature changes in the esophagus. The vagus nerve triggers these involuntary contractions, which close the vocal cords mid-breath. Most hiccups vanish quickly, but chronic cases can last years. Oddly, sugar or spoonfuls of peanut butter sometimes stop hiccups by stimulating the vagus nerve. So next time you hiccup, blame evolution and reach for the sugar jar.